tuwing sasapit ang takip silim, magsisimula ang kwento ng lagim.
Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-upload ng video. And besides, it was just for fun.
It doesn't matter who uploaded the video. Kasalanan natin lahat to, okay?
Alam mo, kasalanan mo to eh. Alam mo yung sitwasyon niya, pero nagpumalit ka pa rin. Hindi ka sana nag-aya, eh di sana...
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
Ano gagawin natin?
Hindi ko kaya humarap sa family niya.
Kailangan natin mag-sorry.
Tsaka hindi tayo tatanggapin ng family niya. We are the reason why she's gone.
Kaya mas kailangan natin humingi ng tawad sa kanya.
Good afternoon, class. Alright. Before I start, meron muna akong gustong sabihin sa inyo. Alam ko na yung iba sa inyo, yung nabalitaan na nung nangyari. 3 days ago, an embarrassing video of Miss Hilda Castillo circulated in social media. Simula nun, hindi na natin siya nakita. Hindi na siya pumasok. This morning though, I received a call from Mr. and Mrs. Castillo. Class, Hilda is gone. She's a bright student, but we all know she didn't have a strong personality. In fact, if you noticed, she barely spoke in class. And she didn't have many friends. Okay, let's just pray for her, okay? All right now, let's get started with our lesson. Today, in this day and age, we use the internet more than ever. And as mass communication students, it's a great tool for you to learn, to socialize, and to communicate more efficiently. But remember this, class. You have to be responsible because it can also be harmful in many ways.
Okay ka lang ba, Sarah?
Mauna na kayo. Susunod na lang ako sa next class.
Diba?
Bye.
Yes, tita. Opo. Natutulog po siya ngayon eh, nagpapahinga. Sabi naman po ng doktor, pahinga lang po yung kailangan niya. Okay po. Sige po. Apo. Tawagan ko po kayo pag nagising na siya. Okay, sige po. Bye.
Meron ka bang hindi sinasabi sa amin? Kailan pa kayo ni Jomar? You've been fooling Hilda the whole time. You know how much he meant to her, right?
I'm sorry.
Alam mo, sana hindi mo naman in-upload yung video. Pakonsuelo mo naman.
Magpahinga ka muna. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay.